Hi, I am Shadad Aldar with Bentley Systems, and in this video we will be checking out the AHU Builder tool and try creating a custom AHU using that. First, let us check the AHU Placement tool. Here we have a few AHUs available from the Bentley AHU library. These libraries are basically individual XML files which contain the information about the AHUs contained within them. We can select any one from here and place it. If we want, we can modify one from here directly, or we can choose to create a new AHU from scratch. To do that, we'd have to select the Edit AHU tool. This would open the AHU Builder dialog. In this dialog, we have the AHU Explorer where we have the AHU libraries listed. In this case, we have only one, the Bentley AHU library. Let us create a new library where we can create our new AHU. Now we would have to select where we would like to save our library in. Organization, which is the dataset, workspace standards, or workset standards. For this example, let us select workspace. Let us name our library as My Custom AHU Library. Then we click OK, our library is created. Now we would start creating a new AHU within this library. So we need to select the Create AHU button. Let us name this AHU as My Custom AHU. The values of the width, height and length will be populated by itself once we start adding the AHU modules. The unit would be taken up from the working units of our file. Now let us start adding new modules to our AHU. In the AHU level 1, let us add our first module, a blower. From the available modules pane, we have to select blower and double-click on it to bring it to the selected modules pane. Let us add some connections to this blower module. To do that, we would go to the Hvac Connection data and select the following connection specification for this connection. Rectangular, connection type is supply, no accessories, location should be left, the width of the connection is 450, the depth of the connection is 300, the top offset is 375, the side offset is also 375. Now we would have to click on Add to add the connection. The connection is now added. Now if we select the connection 1, we can see all the settings of the connection 1 that we have just applied. If we need to modify anything about that connection, we can do it from here and then click on the Modify button to apply the changes in that connection. Now let us add another connection to the blower. So as we did earlier, we select the blower, we go to the Hvac Connection data and enter the following specification for the new connection. Rectangular, the connection type is fresh air. I need no accessories in that. The location is top in this case. The width is 450, the depth is 300, the top and side offsets are 375 each. Also, the size of the blower module itself would be 750 by 750 by 750 for width, height and length. The overall dimension of the AHU would be populated from the dimensions of each of the modules that are used in the AHU. Now back to the connection. Once the specification of the new connection is added, we click on the Add button to add the new connection to the blower module. Now let us add another module to this AHU, a refrigerant cooling coil. We select the AHU level 1 and then we double-click on the refrigerant cooling coil module from the available modules pane. The module would be added to our AHU. The dimension of this would be similar to the blower module, i.e. 750 by 750 by 750. Now let us add a new plumbing connection in this cooling coil module. So this connection is an inlet type connection. We need no accessories for this one. The location is front, the pipe OD is 50, the stub length is also 50, the top offset is 75 and the side offset is 675. We click on Add and the new connection is added to the cooling coil module. So we can see that in here that the connection 1 is now added, and even in the model preview, the new connection is also added there. Now let us go ahead and add another connection to this module. So we select the module and go to the plumbing connection data pane and choose an outlet type connection with no accessories. The location is front, pipe OD is 50, the stub length is also 50. In this case, the top offset is 675 and the side offset is also 675. We click on the Add button and the connection is added in the selected modules pane and also in the preview model. Now we add a new connection which is drain type connection with no accessories. The location is front, the pipe OD is 50, the stub length is also 50, the top offset is 675 and the side offset is 75. Then we click on the Add button and the new connection is added, and we can see that in the Selected Modules pane as well as in the Preview model. Let us add another module to this AHU. Let us select Pre-filter and double-click on it to add it. The module dimensions would be 750 by 750 by 750. In the same level, let us add another module, a mixing chamber. The dimensions for this would also be 750 by 750 by 750. Now let us add a new level to this AHU. We can click on Add New Level and a new level will be created. All the modules added in this level would be stacked up on the modules added in the previous level. Let us add a fine filter in this level. The dimensions would be 750 by 750 by 750 as always. Next, let us add another module, HEPA or High Efficiency Particulate Arrestance Filter module. The dimensions again would be 750 by 750 by 750. For this stack, let us also bring in an SA plenum. So we select AHU level 2 and double click on SA plenum. Now let us add some connection in this module. Let us go to the HVAC connection data, select rectangular, no accessories, left for the location, width is 450, depth is 300, top offset is 375 and the side offset is also 375. Then we click on Add and our first connection is now created. Also, the dimensions of the module should be 750 by 750 by 750. Now let us add another connection in this. This is going to be a rectangular connection with no accessories. Location would be top, width is 450, depth is 300 and the side and top offsets are 375 each. Let us click on Add and the connection is added. Now our AHU is ready. We can see the total dimension of our AHU. Now we can click on Save and save our custom AHU. Once our save operation is completed, we can simply click on Place AHU and place our AHU in the design. That would be it for this video. Thanks for staying tuned. I hope it was informative. See you soon.